President Uhuru Kenyatta's bitter rivalry with the judiciary went a notch higher after the High Court revoked the head of state's Executive Order Number 1 of 2020. The order formally instituted the Executive Office of the President, the Nairobi Metropolitan Services, and also placed sections of the judiciary, tribunals, commissions and independent offices under the executive arm of government. Seth Olale reports.
Exactly a week after President Uhuru Kenyatta omitted 6 judges from the initial list of 40 recommended by the Judicial Service Commission for appointment, the president has suffered a setback in court. High Court Judge James Makau declared President Uhuru Kenyatta's Executive Order Number 1 of 2020 unconstitutional. The 42-page judgment reads in part, "A declaration is issued that the Executive Order Number 1 of 2020, purporting to organize the government and set out judiciary and its tribunals, commissions and independent bodies under ministries and government departments, is unconstitutional, null and void." The order, which was issued by the executive on 14th January 2020, had formally instituted the creation of the Executive Office of the President, Nairobi Metropolitan Services under the national government, as well as placed sections of the judiciary, tribunals, commissions and independent offices under various state departments and the Office of the Attorney General. However, the Law Society of Kenya moved to court to challenge the constitutionality of President Uhuru Kenyatta's restructuring of the government, arguing that placing the judiciary and tribunals under the executive arm of the government as interfering with the independence of the judiciary. LSK further protested that the president doesn't have powers to reorganize the government and place independent offices under government ministries and state bodies. The latest onslaught by the judiciary against President Uhuru Kenyatta comes a week after 6 nominees of the Judicial Service Commission were excluded from the head of state's appointment as judges. This sparked bitter outcry from legal circles, including former Chief Justice David Maraga and Willie Mutunga. In May 2020, a 5-judge bench comprising Justices George Odunga, Joel Ngugi, Teresia Matheka, Jairus Nga and Chacha Mwita stopped the BBI reggae by declaring the Constitution Amendment Bill 2020 unconstitutional. Seth Olale, NTV.